Good morning, everyone. I am Priya Varshini, and my topic is about web application framework and web automation tools. Agenda: Introduction to web frameworks and web automation tools, Ruby on Rails, Django and Angular, ASP.NET, and Metro.js. Web framework comparison, Selenium, Lambda Test and Catalan Studio, Test Project and Playwright. Automation tool comparison. Key takeaways: advantages of web application framework, advantages of automation tools. Introduction. A web application framework is a software structure that helps developers build websites and web applications faster and more efficiency. It provides ready-made components, libraries, and templates that reduces repetitive work. For example, when we build a website from scratch, we need to handle routing, database connection, security, and UI design separately. But with the framework, most of these features are already included, so developers can focus on mainly on logic and creativity. Common web frameworks are Django, Ruby on Rails, Angular, ASP.NET, and Metro.js. On the other hand, web application tools are used to automate tasks such as website testing, browser testing, and monitoring. Instead of manually checking every page, automation tools stimulate real user actions like clicking, logging in, or filling forms to ensure the websites work correctly on all browsers and devices. Together, web frameworks and automation tools from the foundation of modern software development, making it faster, more reliable, and cost effective. Ruby on Rails is one of the most popular framework for rapid web development. It follows the MVC, Model View Controller architecture, which separates the data, user interface, and business logic clearly. It works on the principle of convention over configuration, meaning developers do not need to spend time setting up or configuring this repeatedly. The framework assumes smart defaults. It includes built-in support for database, templates, and server interactions. It, it is the best for startups and prototypes that need quick development. Example, companies like GitHub and Shopify initially used by Ruby on Rails to launch fast. Django and Angular. Django is a Python-based framework known for its speed, security, and scalability. Its motto is the web framework for perfectionists and with deadlines. It follows the MTV, Model Template View pattern, which is similar to MVC. It has built-in features such as authentication, admin panel, or object relational mapper, and security protections like XSS and CSRM. Django is widely used in news portal, e-commerce, and enterprise level application. Example, Instagram and Pinterest uses Django. Angular. Angular is developed by Google and it is a front-end web framework mainly used to build single-page applications. It is based on a TypeScript and follows a component-based architecture, meaning the UI is divided into reusable parts. Angular offers two-way data binding, which means changes in the UI and the backend EC stays synchronized automatically. Example, Gmail and PayPal use Angular for smooth use experiences. ASP.NET, Metro.js. ASP.NET is developed by Microsoft and it is a part of Net ecosystem. It supports multiple languages like C++, VB.NET, and integrates easily with Microsoft tools such as Azure Cloud. It is best suited for enterprise level, high performance application and corporate portals that need scalability and security. ASP.NET is mobile ready, fast, and integrates well with DevOps pipelines. Examples Stack Overflow and Microsoft Services uses ASP.NET. Metro.js. Metro.js is a JavaScript based full stack framework that allows building real time web and mobile application using a single code base. It can handle both front-end and back-end using JavaScript. Metro synchronizes data in real time. So if one user updates information, it instantly appears to others. No pages refreshment needed. It's perfect for chat apps, live dashboards, and collaborative tools. Examples: Metro is used in live update systems and IoT dashboards. Web framework comparison requirements: fast prototyping, enterprise solutions, real-time application. Best framework: Ruby on Rails, Django, ASP.NET, Metro.js, Angular. So the choice depends on the team, skill set, project size, and type of app being developed. Web automation tools. Selenium. Selenium is one of the most widely used automation tools. It allows automation of browser actions like clicking, typing, navigating, and validating results. Suppose multiple languages: Python, Java, C++, Ruby, and works across all browsers. It easily interacts with CI or CD pipelines like Jenkins and GitHub Actions. It's open source, reliable, and perfect for automating repetitive web tests. Example: many QA teams use Selenium to test login pages, forms, and workflows. Lambda Test and Catalan Studio. Lambda Test is a cloud-based testing platform. It allows you to test your web apps on 5,000 plus browsers and devices in the cloud without installing anything locally. It uses AI and machine learning for analytics and error detection. Ideal for agile and DevOps team who want fast, scalable cross-browser testing. Catalan Studio. Catalan Studio is all-in-one test automation tool for web, mobile, and API testing. It is beginner-friendly because it offers low-code or no-code automation using a visual recorder, supports JavaScript scripting, and integrates with CI or CD tools easily. It's great for small to mid-level teams that want a simple yet powerful automation suite. Test Project and Playwright. Test Project is a free and open source automation tool. It allows visual scripting, self-healing tests, and team collaboration using integration with Jira and Trello. It is easy to learn and ideal for teams just starting with test automation. Playwright. Playwright, developed by Microsoft, is a modern automation tool that supports web, mobile, and desktop testing. It can perform parallel testing and run in headless mode for speed. It supports multiple languages like JavaScript, Python, and C++. Playwright is a perfect for end-to-end testing in CI or CD environment, offers great speed and reliability. Automation tool comparison. Need: enterprise level testing, beginner friendly, modern and fast, free and simple. Tool: Selenium, Lambda Test, Catalan Studio, Playwright, Test Project. Key takeaways: choose the right framework. Rails for speed, Django for security, Angular for rich UI, ASP.NET for enterprise, Metro.js for real-time apps. Automate testing smartly. Selenium for flexibility, Lambda Test for cloud scalability, Catalan for simplicity, Playwright for fast CI or CD. Match tools to your project based on team, skill, budget, and scalability needs. Features of Web Application Framework. Web Framework helps developers build web application faster, safer, and more efficiently. They come with ready-made tools, templates, and libraries that reduce manual coding, faster development. Frameworks like Django and Ruby on Rails offer built-in modules and templates, helping developers create apps quickly without starting from scratch. Better code organization. Most follow MVC architecture, which keeps code clean, structured, and easier to maintain. Security and reliability. Frameworks provide built-in security features such as authentication, CSRF protection, and input validation, reducing the risk of attacks. So, overall framework improve productivity, security, and long-term maintenance. Disadvantages of web application framework. Learning curve. Each framework has its own rules and setup process, which can be difficult for beginners. Limited flexibility. Developers must follow the framework structures, which may restrict customization, performance overhead. Frameworks add extra layers of code that sometimes slow down performance compared to lightweight custom applications. Advantages of web automation tool. Web automation tools are designed to save time, improve accuracy, and enhance testing quality in web development. Increase the efficiency. Automation tools like Selenium or Playwright can run hundreds of test cases automatically, reducing manual effort and speeding up testing cycles. Better test coverage. Tools such as Lambda Test allow testing across multiple browsers, devices, and operating systems, ensuring the website works correctly for all users. Yearly bug detection. By integrating CA or CD pipelines, automation tools catch bugs early in the development process, helping developers fix issues before development. Consistency. Automated tests perform the same steps every time, removing human error and providing reliable, repeatable results. Disadvantages of automated tools. High initial setup cost. Setting up automation framework, test scripts, and environments requires time, tools, and skilled testers. Maintenance overhead. Whenever the application interface changes, tools test script must be updated, which can become time consuming, limited for visual or dynamic testing. Automation cannot easily handle visual layout checks or dynamic elements that change frequently. Sometimes human judgment is still needed. Thank you.